representation of real number. Okay, in number line. Generally, we'll take one square root of 3.7. So, square root of 3.7 root over. We have to square root of 3.7. We have to show it in a number line. So, the concept is based on similar triangle. So, which one is in 10th standard? But just I am saying you how you have to draw this. Okay. So first, so as it is given 3.7 root over, what you do? First you have to draw a line. This is the number line. As usual, this is 0. This is -1. This is -2. Here 1, 2. By the help of scale, pencil, and proper measurement, you have to take. So it is given 3.7 root over. So 3.7, where is it? You have to take first. By using your scale and pencil. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Like this is given. We have to take 3.7. Where is it? 3.7. This one is it. 3.2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is it 3.7. This one is it 3.7. More another one you will take, that is it 4.7. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is it 4.7. Okay. You have to take 3.7 and you have to take 4.7. Try to understand. And you have to try to do in your home, practice again and again. You will better understand and you can do that. Okay. So this is the number line. We have to show root over of 3.7. Okay. So first you have to take 3.7, then 4.7. And now 0 to 4.7, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. You have to divide it into two equal parts. So you have to draw perpendicular bisector like this. 4.7 like this it will happen. So it will come in between more than 2. Okay. In between it 2 and 3 will come. 4.7 will be divided into two equal parts, and here this one 0 to 4.7 you have divided. And now what you do, you draw the semicircle by taking this point. This one will be the midpoint of 0 to 4.7. By using compass you will divide this. Am I clear? Yes. Okay, very good, nice, good. Okay, now here already you have drawn the semicircle. Okay, now at point 3.7, try to understand again and again. You see, try to understand. So 3.7, again you have to draw here 90 degree. 90 degrees is drawn. Okay, here this line perpendicular will intersect the semicircle at the point, let it is A. Now this point is B. AB is 3.7 root over. AB is 3.7 root over. Okay, so you have to take this one, how much it is, this one, how much, this much, that much you will take by the help of a compass or divider, and you will cut from here. Here it will come here. This one, how much this is, that much you will cut from the arc will take and will cut from here. This one is 3.7 root over. That is shown in a number line. Am I clear? The concept is based on similar triangle and that is in 10th standard. Just simply I am saying why it is. So if this one 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, see this one is 90, A, B, C, this is D, this one is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, and in similar triangle and Pythagoras theorem, it is application of Pythagoras theorem and similar triangle. This is in 10th standard. Okay, so here this one, let AD square will be equal to BD into CD. BD into CD, the concept. Okay, so AD will be equal to BD into CD root over. So BD equal to how much? This one 3.7 into this one, this one equal to 1 root over. That is 3.7 root over. So concept is based on this. Because whenever we are taking a similar triangle like this, A, B, C, B is 90 degree and BD perpendicular to AC, we can prove from this here by applying Pythagoras theorem and a similar triangle. Similarly, we can take 1, 2 and larger one 3 triangles, and from there we can prove AB square equal to AD into AC, BC square equal to AC into CD, and AC square equal to, you have known AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square. This is Pythagoras theorem, and we can prove BD square equal to AD into CD. AD into CD. The concept applied here, BD square equal to AD into CD. AD equal to, if AD equal to 1, CD equal to 3.7, then BD will be equal to 3.7 root over. Because 3.7 into 1 root over, because BD square equal to 1 into 3.7. So BD will be equal to 3.7 root over. The same thing it is applied here. If this one will take, this one will take, this one is the right angle triangle, because angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. This one is 90 degree, angle in the semicircle 90 degree, and this one is perpendicular. We have drawn at point, this point 90 degree we have drawn. So this is 90 degree, this one 90 degree, this one 90 degree, and this one AP square equal to this one into this one. This is 3.7, this is 1. So 3.7 into 1, 3.7, it's a root over. 3.7 root over, this is this one. So this one is shown in number line here, this one. Okay, 3.7 root over. I think everybody understood. Thank you.